I think the key for prosecutors is going to be the duct tape, Michael, because the medical examiner testified that this victim died of asphyxia, meaning that his oxygen was cut off by the tape itself. So follow that rationale, right? Because it doesn't need to be intent to kill or intent to create serious bodily injury. It could be from the willful disregard of the likelihood of death or serious bodily injury from what they did. So they got this duct tape. The duct tape cuts off the oxygen and it leads to the death. So the question is that recklessness that's required? And if it is, Hernandez has a problem too, because Hernandez's DNA is on the duct tape. So you have both co-defendants' DNA on the duct tape, meaning that they held it, they participated in it, they were part of restricting the oxygen, and that's where the prosecutor needs to focus on, because it will get them to that reckless conduct that's required in that third part of the malice requirement of of the felony murder.
Now, this intent requirement, there's a few states that do it now. It's sort of a movement in sort of the criminal bar to go in this direction. As a former prosecutor, what do you make of it? This idea of requiring this intent, what they're trying to do is protect people who are legitimately innocent in these types of situations or legitimately have a claim to this type of thing. I'm not sure these guys qualify, but what do you make of this requirement of prosecutors under these circumstances where we're talking about felony murder?
Yeah, sure. I mean, the common felony murder statute could be unjust. It could be unjust for a participant in a conspiracy that has the purpose to go in either rob, burglarize, harm in some way, and then something goes wrong with one of the co-conspirators, that a death occurs. And under the common law, it doesn't matter if you're a co-conspirator and what your intent was, even if something goes awry and causes the death of another. So a very small minority of states, including Michigan's one of the states, we talked about that Supreme Court decision in the state that requires just a little bit more. So just being part of a conspiracy doesn't get you there. You got to show the malice, what we're talking about here.